everybody, welcome back to Outnumber Barbecue. Today I'm going to show you an economical roast that'd be great for your holiday get-together or just Sunday dinner. This is poor man's prime rib. Let me show you how we did it. To make this, I'll be using a sirloin tip roast that only costs $13.24. I'm also going to be using these beef ribs, not at all necessary, but I thought it'd be a cool touch. I'll start with cutting this rack of beef ribs to match the length of the roast. And just to make it look a little extra fancy, I'm going to French these rib tips. Just a fancy way of saying you're taking out the meat in between the bones, kind of cleaning up the bones a little bit. And once we got that done, we'll tie these to the sirloin tip roast using butcher's twine. Real easy, just go between each rib, make sure it's secured tightly. So it's almost Christmas, and this time of year you see a lot of people on YouTube making prime rib. So I thought, what would be a good alternative if you didn't want to spend $50 to $300 on a prime rib roast and still get an excellent piece of meat you'd be proud to serve your family. And even if you don't intend on serving this for your holiday meal, this is an excellent way to test out those spice rubs, test out those times and temperatures, really get it dialed in before you commit to a several $100 piece of meat. So here it is, all tied up. Let's get our rub together. We'll start with 2 parts ground black pepper, 1 part kosher salt, 1/2 part garlic powder, and 1/2 part onion powder. And just give it a mix. To help the rub stick, I'll be using this olive oil. Just put a generous amount on there, rub it in, and then season all sides with this salt, pepper, onion, garlic mixture. You can go extra heavy. The only seasoning on this meat is going to be on the outside, so go extra heavy on the seasoning. Now we have a generous layer of rub. Let's get the pit fired up. I'll be cooking today on the Workhorse Pits 1975T. I'll be using post oak wood. I have the damper on the stack half closed, shooting for a temperature of 250 degrees. I'll put this roast on bone side down, thick side towards the fire. We're looking for an internal temperature of about 125 degrees. And here we are after 1 hour. Have a nice mahogany color. I'll give it a spritz with this spray butter. And after 2 hours, we've hit that target temperature of 125 degrees. We'll pull it off, let it rest covered with foil for about 30 minutes. We'll cut in and see how it looks. And here we have the final product. Nice color, nice bark all the way around. Those ribs even make it look like a prime rib. So let's cut this butcher's twine, separate these ribs, give it a slice. That looks perfect. Nice pink color edge to edge. Exactly what I was looking for. Let's give it a slice. Look at that moisture, definitely not dry. Let's cut off a piece here and give it a taste. Super tender, smoky, peppery, salt. That's really good. So is this as good as prime rib? No, come on. But for $13.24, I'd be proud to serve this to my family during the holidays. Well, once again, thank you for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas. Only thing I want for Christmas is for you to hit that subscribe button.